Shavua Tov, and welcome to the Women's Jewish Learning Center weekly 2 Minutes of Torah. This Shabbat is called Shabbat Nachamu, the Shabbat of consolation, based on the first words of the Haftorah from the prophet Isaiah. Nachamu, Nachamu Ami. Comfort, comfort my people. The Baal B'nai Yisachar, Rabbi Tzvi Elimelech of Dinov, comments that the way that we should read the verse is Nachamu b'zeh she'atem ami. Comfort my people, meaning comfort in the fact that you are my people. Where does our real consolation come from in this world? According to the Baal B'nai Yisachar, it comes from our connections to God, to loved ones, to our community. Be comforted in the fact that you are mine, says God, that you are not alone in this world, that I am with you even in moments of great difficulty. You are mine, says God, and you are my people. You are a nation with whom I have a distinct connection, different from my connections with other nations, not better, not worse, but distinct. And that too is a source of comfort, that you're part of a larger community of people who share a history and a literature and values. And when you realize that you're part of this larger collective called the Jewish people and the Jewish community, that too is a sense of comfort because it reminds us that we're not alone. As we begin another year of Torah study at the Women's Jewish Learning Center, that's a key piece of our experience of Torah study. Yes, it's the text that we are blessed to inherit and privileged to study, but it's also the community around the table who are also sources of Torah and insight and wisdom. May this Shabbat and every Shabbat bring us the consolation of remembering that we're not alone. And may that insight help us to continue the work of making this world better. One mitzvah, one word of comfort, one act of kindness at a time. Shavua Tov.